Hello, welcome back to the TV room. David Bradley here. So I have made a decision. I have decided to start to sell things, and today I did do some preparatory video stuff and picture stuff to sell a couple of SID chips that are just dandy. And I'm not crazy about this, but you know, I've got to start somewhere. I have to start somewhere. I do. So, oh, that didn't go well. That's supposed to be taped on the back. So here we have, oh yeah, I need to do some more stuff. Is the cartridge in okay? I think it is. There we go. So this is still testing, but it will of course come up with no sound because there's no SID chip. You don't need a SID chip to have the 64 work. Now here is another example of a 64. It is indeed. Now, I need to write more things. Ooh, this thing. Wow. Glasses. This thing on here is very messed up. So it's P5289995B. And this would be a good fix-it machine. It would, as in everything is in sockets. Oh, how is it I can have so much tape and yet have no tape? I had it. Oh, well, what the heck. Might as well rip open a new box. There, yank one out. So much tape. So much tape. So little time. Alright. So this 64 also go out of here where it can sit and rest. Now somewhere there's no screws in here. But I know, oh yeah, over here I have some screws. So I'm just going to put one in. And then this too can go out of here. It can. Okay, one screw. All screws. All screws are sacred. Sacred. Oh. Okay. See, and if you look, here's the 64. It's kind of discolored, but you know, not bad. And here, there is the description. There's how messed up that label is. Okay, So I'm going to look again in here. There we have it. Because in here are some bit things that I think that I will need. Okay. Now the other thing I have to find, I had another, oh, that's still charging, yes. I had another screwdriver here. And it was one that it was blue. Hello. And I know it's here. Don't think I tossed it into something because I wanted it to be here. Oh, come on. I don't want to go searching. I don't want to go searching. Is that it? No. That's a big screwdriver. No. I don't believe it. Wait. Is that it? Aha. I think I will need this for the next thing I'm going to do. SAT10. That's a good thing. The other thing this has, I don't know if you can see that. Maybe you can. There's a hole in the middle of there, and that means it's a security T10. Security T10s are a whole other ballgame. Because there are some things where you absolutely need them. Okay, so set things aside, set things aside. Move the monitor. Okay. Then the next video, I'm going to do something a little different because I'm tired of tidying up. I am. So, I'm going to try something a little different. As you will soon see, this is why I went hunting for this socket. So thanks for coming. See you again soon. Back here in the TV room. David Bradley. Signing off. For now. But not long. Well, you know what? I'll probably take a nap first. I'm still not feeling great. Exhaustion. It's so exhausting. I'm tired of it. Bye for now.